magandang po. Luto na naman ako ng fried chicken para sa tanghalian namin. Ayan mga guys. Ayan ang mga aking fried chicken and fried eggplant. Ayan, nasunog na mga guys. Ayan, vegetables and soup. Ayan. Ayan mga guys. Hello, hello, hello. Luto-luto time.
Put me in this side machine, but the other one, see? There is a gloves. See, like that. And then there is other one. Leave. Enough. Tape, marinate chicken. See, put me in the, madam, you see, put me inside, you see, put me inside. There is a close, because if not close, the basal inside, and then the tomb pull up. Scrambled egg. Siya. Wow. It's a final. And then put me the other side. See? And at the back. See? Wow, the other side pa. Another by a minute. Finally cook. Waiting for us. See? Make hot little time. There is a time to 8 minutes. And open at ready to eat. Okay. Excellent. I'm happy like this cooking. Enjoy.